Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild on the Nintendo Switch. Now, I've had this about a month, and I haven't unboxed it or played it yet. But seeing as I've downloaded the Kirby Star Allies demo there, I thought I'd give this a play as well. So, really quite looking forward to playing this. By the way, I will be getting Kirby Star Allies. Just finished the demo, it's awesome. So yeah, there you go. On the front you've got Link there. So I've never played a Zelda game before, sorry to admit, but yeah, there's the side. And there's the back. So it's a one-player game. Sorry about my camera not focusing. It's a bit shit on my phone. It's a bit rubbish. So inside, got Link climbing up a mountain. You got the cartridge there. And yeah, that's about it. So anyway guys, thank you very much for watching my unboxing for The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now guys, I will talk to you later. Cheers, bye bye.